Today our kids enjoy world!
Morning, Lily and Ethan. Today we are going to learn something very fun and very useful. We will learn about before and after using numbers and our daily routine. Let's start with the word before. Before means something that comes earlier. Look at number 5. Can you tell me what number comes before 5?
Let's think together carefully.
That's right! Great thinking! The number before 5 is 4.
Let's say it together slowly. 4 comes before 5.
Very good! Now let's learn about after. After means something that comes later. Look at number 10. What number comes after 10? Let's think and find the answer together. Yes, the number after 10 is 11. So 11 comes after 10.
11 11 comes after 10.
Wonderful job! What comes after 2?
It is 3.
What comes after 5?
It is 6.
And what comes after 8?
It is 9.
You are learning so fast!
Now let's learn before and after using our daily routine. Every day we do things in order. First, we weather activities. What do we do after waking up? Yes, we brush our teeth. So brushing comes after waking up. And waking up comes before brushing. Very good.
What comes after brushing? Yes, we eat breakfast. Eating comes after brushing. And brushing comes before eating. Let's say it together.
Eating comes after brushing.
Let's repeat the full routine. First we wake up, then we brush, and after that we eat. Can you say it with me slowly? Great job! If we are brushing our teeth, what did we do before that?
We woke up. Yes, we woke up.
And what will we do after brushing?
We will eat.
Yes, we will eat. What comes before 6?
That is 5.
And what comes after 3?
4.
Now think carefully, what comes after waking up?
Brushing your teeth.
I am so proud of you, Lily and Ethan. You learned how to use before and after with numbers and even your daily routine. You are growing smarter and more confident every single day. Thank you for learning with us today, dear friends. Keep practicing before and after at home with your family every day. We will see you again soon for more fun and exciting learning adventures.